Hey everyone, today we've been working really hard on the development of our caravan camera system for the Chev Silverados. We wanted to give you a bit of a sneak peek at how this system works so that you can see the progress we've made. We're really happy with this product and we're sure you're going to really love it too. So let's have a look at how the system works. So one of the big things that we had to work out when developing this system was where to display the caravan camera image, because obviously you want to be able to see the camera with your maps at the same time. But the challenge is that when you're using Android Auto compared to CarPlay, the layout on the screen is actually different between the two. So we've set it up with two different settings. So you can set the system and tell it which kind of phone you're using, and then you can have the layout of the cameras displayed perfectly on the screen for whichever device. So in order to activate our caravan camera, it's just a simple long press of the home button there, and there you have the caravan camera, which you can view that constantly while you're driving along and still be using your maps on your CarPlay system. Here are your track skip buttons, so if you do want to change a track or skip or play, you can continue to do that there. And if you press any of these menus in order to go to the settings, it will take the camera system away so that you can see the factory image again. So again, we just long press the caravan camera. Now some people will want to see the image much bigger than that, and we can do that by simply short pressing the home button, and there we have a full image of the caravan camera displayed on the screen. Now obviously we also need to be able to see the image of the caravan camera when in reverse. Our system has been purposely designed for a dual caravan camera, so you can have a narrow long view distance camera that you look out the back while you're driving forward, and then you have a wide angle camera looking down at the vehicle in reverse. So let me show you how it works in reverse. So here we have the factory camera system displayed there on the screen. Now in order to be able to activate the camera, it's again a long press of the home button. So here we now have dual view, caravan camera, factory reverse camera, and you can still press these buttons here to change the view that's displayed there of the factory camera. So this is a really awesome setup when you're reversing that van into a tight spot. But again, some people may want a bigger view than this of the caravan camera. So if we short press the home button, we've taken up the full camera screen with the caravan camera image there. So this system is completely compatible with all of the latest cameras, Safety Dave, AHD cameras, and it will completely seamlessly integrate into your Chev screen. So I hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek of this camera system that we've developed for the Silverado. If you have any questions or you need any other information, please send us an email or give us a call.